from my mom.
I can see from my balcony your garden with cypress and fruit trees. Well, I really enjoy the view of your garden. I can see it's precious to you. And I love to see the ladybugs play and the hummingbirds fly backwards. And as I focus through the ficus, I might just like us to harmonize like those birds of paradise. Yeah. Well, I can see those big yellow roses from Texas. They stand tall next to the fences. And your hibiscus in the midst of photosynthesis lives in bliss in the mix. I love how you love the Lord above. You're like Mother Nature's sister, and the Lord reached down to kiss you on the nose. I love how your garden grows. Oh, so as I focus through the ficus, I might just like us to harmonize like those birds, just like those birds. Just like those beautiful birds of paradise.
It's real nice, man.
Thanks, man. Appreciate that.